Guys, check it out. We got the McLaren 720S and the Pista. Views on views on views. Alright, we're off. Got, you know, some jumper cables just in case. Big road trip coming up. Not that big, but it's whatever. Alright, so Ruel, this is a surprise for you.
What is it?
It's on the Nissan.
Not a new car?
No, it's still the old car. Okay, check this out. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Wow. Made the wheels white.
That looks sick.
Fresh off the press.
That looks sick.
White on white. Had to go back to it.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? We're going for the private track day event. Yeah, right now we're meeting up with some of the boys. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I must say this is a private event. It's not a commercial event. Shout out to my boy Imran and Neville for putting this together. So yeah, here we are. Here are the boys. And we're ready to go. Yeah, there's gonna be some sick cars. You guys are gonna have to wait and see what cars are coming up. About 30 to 35 cars, I want to say. It'll be fun. There's gonna be a lot of drag action, a lot of drifting action. So yeah. We're on our way again. We got the Mustang. We got the Mustang back there. We got the Stage 3 VRS, the Stage 3 328i, probably one of the sickest 328i's in the country. We got my boy Meat up there with the Cayman S. Should be a fun drive. We're all just cruising, taking it easy because we're in no rush to be there. So. Tunnel. So we just got here. What are you doing in the back, bro? Bro, you need to know how to slow down and follow directions. Stage 3 VRS, right? Yes. Take notes, bro. Not that Stage 2. Or the new speed wheels?
Yeah, the new speed RSC 10.
With no center caps. Weight reduction.
Race car.
Meat. Here. And our boss. Let's go. Get some food. We're here. So many choices, so little time. But we're gonna keep it safe and go with Subway. Because we eat fresh. Everyone's over there getting KFC. So 2 more cars joined us. Got the C63, we got Kawan, got the M4. About to roll out, get some fuel, and then head over. So just stopped to get some fuel. It is so hot today. It's in the 40s, I feel like. Just dry heat. We're all just pulled up. Getting that 99 octane, you know what I'm saying? Almost there, probably another hour till we get there. Got me riding with me. Some of the boys are in the back. It's really hot. I can't emphasize enough. Like I'm just watching my temperature gauge, and it's just stuck in the middle. Usually it's a little below the middle, but it's so freaking hot. Just got to the house. Everyone's doing it for the gram. So right now we just got done resting up a little bit. Just headed to the lakeside. Gonna go chill. Guys, views on views on views. Look at this, we're gonna be chilling here by the lake. Everyone pulling in. Guys, here with my boy Meat. He's driving that Cayman. First time, no, actually no, second time at the track.
Yeah, but last time I drove the E63S.
Oh, nice. So first time with your own car.
Yes.
You're gonna use launch control.
Yes.
And blow up the transmission. No, I'm kidding. So we got my car, we got his car, and we got Taco's VRS over there, stage 3. All these cars are gonna be competing with each other. Should be fun. Cold start in the Nissan. As you can see, everyone got late waking up. We're just on our way right now, me and Ruel. We need our coffees though. I wish they had a Starbucks in Ambi. This guy here. There it is, guys. The fastest M in the country pulling up. Trying to see if we can break 9s today. And there's the fastest VAG car in the country. Our boy Ricky's RS7. Both cars in the 10-second clubs with low 10s. Here's Dublin. Looking forward to his crazy drifts. Yo, what's up?
Join the
Check it out.
Boys.
Check it out.
Recording.
There you go. Yeah. Alright guys, check it out. I don't know if you can see over there, but right over there, that little red thing is a Pista, and the black car next to it is a 720S. Guys, check it out. We got the McLaren 720S and the Pista. But the fastest M in the country is the 720S. Versus the Performante. So supposedly it's GTR's 1500 horsepower. At the Lambo versus the M3. Alright guys, check this out. This is my buddy Imran's M5 E60 supercharged, sitting on some 21-inch wheels. Look at the brakes on those. Sick. Can't wait to get my M5 back. Wish it was here. guys enjoyed the episode of Horsepower Cartel. Shout out to Imran, Neville for putting this together. It was so fun. We got a lot of drifting action going, random drag races happening between all these cars. And yeah, we even ran this thing. I went drifting, got my car dirty, so we're just waiting for a guy to come wash our car. So yeah. By the way, we just hit 10,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot for your support and love. And yeah, like I said, this year is going to be big, crazier, faster, more horsepower packed. And yeah, it's never too late to join the cartel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys soon.